This is the official CIS-Data Foundations exam blueprint, and most people are preparing it completely wrong. Today, I will break down each domain, weightage, and what exactly you need to study to pass the exam. In this video, we are not guessing or using dumps. We are following the official ServiceNow exam blueprint. I will explain each domain like configuration, ingest, and others with that the exam really expects. So you can focus only on the high weightage and important topics. Let's start. Here, ServiceNow CIS-Data Foundation exam has the divided into the 5 core parts, mainly configuration, ingest, governance, insight, and CSDM fundamentals. Among that, it has a configuration has 15% weightage, and ingest has 19% weightage, and governance has a 35% weightage. So mostly governance has a most weightage, and insight has 20% weightage, and rest of CSDM fundamentals has 11% weightage. Here we can start with the briefing of each topic more deeply. What it has a syllabus. The configuration has the 15% weightage. It has a scenario based. It includes identify how and when to use CA class manager. It includes tables, class, attributes, and hierarchy. So this is completely scenario based, and identify when and how to use IRE. IRE means identification and reconciliation engine. And then identify when and how to configure CMDB 360 multi-source CMDB. In case of ingest, it has covers the 19% weightage, and it includes the identify how relationships are auto or manually populated, and identify the automation opportunities that are available to the automated CMDB integration. Then scenario based, identify which data ingestion method to use, identify how to minimize the risk of technical debts and ensure upgradability, identify how to populate and maintain non-discoverable manual CIs or non-discoverable attributes, identify how to track security and regulatory compliance, identify against the CSDM objects, and identify how asset and CA align. In case of governance, it covers the maximum syllabus. I mean, 35% of syllabus it will covers. So it means identify the characteristics of the 6 metrics that make the CMDB health score. So its priority is the CMDB health, and identify the purpose and our requirements of data manager. Identify the goals of good CMDB governance. So on the scenario based also it given examples. Identify what is needed to govern the CMDB. Identify the key roles involved in implementing and imagining managing CMDB. Identify how to configure and gain value from CMDB health dashboards to support key performance indicators and critical issue success factors, and identify how or why duplication records are created and how to remedy in them. Identify when and how to remedy duplicate records using the duplication wizard. Identify how to operation the CMDB. Identify when or why to use the CMDB workspaces or what features are available. Identify how to define principal cases, classes. Identify the policy feature in data manager that should be used to accomplish the goal of the scenario, and identify how to validate data quality and our data compliance in the CMDB health dashboard. Identify how to configure data manager to manage the CMDB. Identify how to improve data quality using the CMDB data foundation dashboard. Identify how to manage lifecycle CA attributes between CIs. It insists having 20% of syllabus, and it includes identify the business value of CMDB, identify how to use natural language query, NL, natural language, identify how to build custom reports using CMDB 360 data. So it has covered the scenarios also. Identify how to build out complex relationship within the query and get a full set of results. Identify the components and uses of unified map or dependency view map. Identify the outcomes of using ServiceNow products, leveraging CMDB data. Identify the benefits of CMDB Foundation dashboards. Identify when to use the CMDB Foundation dashboard, playbook, or the benefits of using playbook. Then finally, CSDM fundamentals. It has a weightage of 11%. In the here scenario provided, identify how to work with the different stakeholders across the industries to correctly map CS with the correct CSDM domain, and identify the approach of abide by CSDM. Identify the benefits of implementing CSDM. So it includes all 5 core points. And here exam registration has the here link provided. By clicking on the link, it will direct to the exam registration link, and it's completely free, and up to it free up to June 31st of this year 26. So if we can register it has a 90 days schedule before that 90 days schedule, we should schedule the exam. So here exam fees are non-refundable. Single attendance for first time, it's a free cost. Second time, it's a costable. While clicking on here, we can schedule the exam. So it has the exam structure of 90 minutes exam duration and 75 questions are there. 75 questions includes matching item, matching type, multiple choices, single answer and multiple double answer also is there. And scenario based questions also we will explain. So these are the sample questions they provided here. For example, the configuration management team wants to identify which CIs have been created from an asset. Like that they mentioned. So sample questions provided with sample. So matching to are scenario based questions also provided. So here correct matching. So this is about the syllabus of the CIS-Data Foundation exam series. And I'm starting the official videos from here onwards. So for further more updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you and wish you all the best.